Yeah, Canberra, it's not Canberra. Basically, everyone I talked to told me Canberra is a very boring, they call it snoozing city because there's nothing going on other than politics, I guess. But we came here for an event called Summernats. Basically, it's a bunch of people doing burnouts all at once, legally. So we're going to check out what that is, and it's kind of an reason for us to come down to check out this area because we do want to cover all provinces, no, states and territories of Australia.
A world record of 100 cars doing burnouts simultaneously. There's even a taxi among them. This is something I would imagine seeing in places like Texas, but we're not even on the north side of the earth. After a few hours under the sun, we were burnt like cooked lobster. So we decided to leave early and checked into our hotel at Avlondishi in Canberra City. Although we missed a big part of the burnout competition, we really needed some rest for the adventure next day.
Alexa, what's the weather like today?
Right now in Canberra, it's 17 degrees Celsius with cloudy skies. Today's forecast has intermittent clouds, with a high of 25 degrees and a low of 13 degrees.
Yeah. This is when Jerry decided to pull a Jerry. This is not a Jeep. As you were having a good time and something has come up.
Nothing bit me.
What
Holy
bit you?
shit.
What?
That was a huge shit.
Where you got bit?
has a huge thing that
A bug or a snake?
there's a big one inside here too.
So whatever we went through earlier on broke our sidewall. And good thing is we do have a full-size spare coming with it, and it's time to work.
On the internet.
Since we haven't gotten any gears yet, we have to use what came with the car. With bottle jack as well, so you know what else is important other than tools? Bug spray.
Oh, fucking bugs.
Yeah. Okay, just put some more on. Alright, we're done.
All these tires, after driving the pavement, just clean it up. Clean it up the tread.
So after driving for half a day, unexpectedly,
It's been a fun adventure.
we finally got a gas station to fill it.
Got a test on the spare tire.